Let's get you more breaking updates on this entire story amidst the row with the report on Jamia and the claims of conversion, remember, that have also been made in this report. We have new responses also coming in. Jamia has responded to that entire report. They call this report unfortunate. Pragya is live with us and she's been able to get us more details exactly on this. Pragya, what is the response that has come in from Jamia? Pragya? Pragya, are you able to hear us?
Yeah, so I think there's an audio glitch, but yes, there has been a response from Jamia Millia Islamia, and in fact they are saying that there may have been few instances in the past, but the current administration isn't aware about any such since the new VC took charge on 25th October, basically saying there had been instances in the past, but the administration is not in the know of these instances because otherwise they would have taken a very stringent action against such things. But if, given the fact that administration does not know anything happening here, and, an NGO is getting to know about this also shows and talks a lot about what kind of administration. Either they do not want to comment on it, they do not want this to come out, or there is a deliberate attempt also to show that they did not in fact know, because this is something that cannot be defended in any way, and any administration for that matter cannot overlook anything of this sort. This is a very grave criminal charges that have been leveled, and in fact the heat will come down on the administration, and I would say the head of the institution, which is Vice Chancellor, in fact they need to respond to these charges, and they need to ensure that no such instance takes place further, in fact, in the institutions. But there are not just one or two cases. These are 27 instances that have been reported, in fact, in that fact-finding committee report.
Absolutely. So, Pragya, Jamia does not deny this. Jamia also says that there were some cases of bias reported earlier. But the point is, who allowed this? Who enabled all this? We'll continue to be on top of that story. Pragya, Sagarika, all, our colleagues tracking that very closely. I thank them, and we head into a very quick break. On the other side, back with more.